Hey, so I heard the most hilarious term on a podcast recently, and I just have to share it here. And the term is posting and ghosting. Are you guilty? Because if you are, you might want to rethink your strategy. And basically what posting and ghosting means is you post an image or a video to Instagram and people comment on your post, but you never reply to the comments or really even like them. And, while the term is hilarious, it really doesn't have hilarious consequences because Instagram has really made it very clear that they are looking for signals that they should boost your post and push it into more of your followers' feeds. And they look for signals like comments, likes, shares, and views if it's a video in the first hour, okay? So if you're posting and ghosting, you're really kind of limiting your reach for that post, okay? You want your post to reach 100% of your followers, right? So if Instagram is determining whether or not to show your post to more of your followers or not based on how many comments it gets in the first hour, and you're not replying to comments, well, then it's really kind of limiting your reach. You see what I mean? So posting and ghosting is really not a great strategy if you're trying to gain, more likes, more comments, more shares, more saves, and ultimately more followers, okay? So what I would suggest doing instead is really staying active in the app, for the first 60 minutes after you post a new image or video, and really sticking around to reply to any comments, okay? And you can also increase the amount of comments that you get by including a call to action or a CTA in your caption, okay? And this is a common strategy that bloggers use at the end of blogs to get people to comment on the blog. And the more comments we get on our blogs, the more Google will boost that blog post in keyword searches. And you can apply that same strategy to your Instagram caption, okay? So by including a call to action at the end of your caption, you can really increase the chances that people will leave a comment on your post. And when they do, then you can go ahead and reply as quickly as possible, okay? And when you do so, then all of a sudden you're getting all kinds of comments, you're replying to all kinds of comments, and Instagram's like, oh my gosh, this post is really valuable. So we're gonna actually push it into more of this person's followers' feeds, okay? And on the flip side, if it doesn't get a lot of comments, or you're not, replying to those comments, Instagram's not going to show it to as many followers. So it's really that simple. And again, using a call to action is going to really increase the odds that people are going to leave a comment. And, a call to action can be as simple as tag a friend, drop a comment below, what are your thoughts, just get creative. And basically, the most shareable content on the internet has been proven to be stuff that's educational, entertaining, or very emotional. And that's just human psychology. If we see something and it causes an emotional reaction in us, then we are very motivated to share it, right? So you can really see how this all ties together. So moral of the story, don't post and ghost. It's really not helping your reach. It's not helping your impressions, and it's going to stall your growth, okay? So every chance you get, reply to comments in the first 60 minutes, and, as the day goes on, the first 24 hours is very important, but especially those first 60 minutes. So, and I guarantee you that if you do this consistently, you will see that your posts are getting more likes, your videos will be getting more views, and of course all of your content will be getting more comments, especially if you include that call to action at the end. So hopefully this tip helped. I teach a lot of strategies like this in the e-courses, so I'll link to the membership website below where you can find more information like this and all the e-courses that I offer, if that's something that you're interested in. So if you have any questions about this strategy, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you have any other questions about Instagram growth, drop that in a comment below and I will do my best to answer questions in upcoming videos. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Also, please, please, please like this video if you enjoyed this, and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers this year, so every subscriber counts. So I would really appreciate it. So again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.